you are creating a customer, a vendor, or any master data, and you want to be fast in doing that, right? So if I create a customer, I could use this function of personalize here, and I personalize this page and then use this function skip. So if I know that I don't need to have tax same number source code, maybe tax same number, yes, but I don't need to have fax extension. I don't need these fields. So I'm gonna now close this and save as a view, my view 2, and I will pin it as a default view. So what will happen? Will happen that if I'm here, right, and I use the tab button, then I use test AP2, and then I use tab, I choose a customer group, tab, terms of payment. I have no terms of payment. Nice. So I need to create a term of payment. So test one and save. Then I have a term of payment. Then I have delivery term. Then I use still tab, mode of delivery. Then use tab, say tax group, tax XM number. Source code was not have it there. Street, city, state, address book, phone. Look, fax and extension were avoided. I can also avoid, for example, if I go again, I don't want, let's say I don't want address. I can skip this. And now, as you can see, if I'm in the source code and then I skip the address here, look, it's skipped. So I don't need to, I can directly go to the country region. Then I need to remember always to save it. My view 2 must be saved. Saved here, and then it's saved. So it's very important setup in the personalization, and a lot of people avoid doing this, but it can really save time. Sometimes you need to have the information here, but you don't need to fill in. So you don't want to click tab and go into that field, but you want to skip that field. So really important.